Serenity by Sweet Rain. Voiceover by Destini Taylor. As I sit here listening to the sounds of nature, it brings me to a special place. I hear birds chatting, and there's no care in the world, not at this time. Such a place that has minimal distractions to find peace on earth. Our peace comes from within, and this is how we create our smiles. The breeze that I feel when I take a deep breath, inhaling and exhaling. I look up to the sky and see the massive trees flowing back and forth. My mind is at ease. I lay back and I see the white puffy clouds moving in sync, and I smile. I close my eyes. I thank my guides, and I am in harmony with what surrounds me.